expresar opiniones sobre situaciones cotidianas y laborales actuales, pasadas y futuras en contextos sociales. El aprendiz Manuel Herrera, presentado al instructor o docente Alejandro Marín Gómez. Payandé Waterfalls. The Payandé Waterfalls are located near Ibagué in Tolima, Colombia. They are important tourist and ecological place with beautiful natural landscapes and natural treasure. The Payandé waterfalls located in Payandé, Tolima, are a natural attraction now for their beautiful landscapes, crystal clear waters, and ecological surroundings. Natural history: over thousands of years, water has shaped the rock and trails, creating an unique environment for tourism and recreation. Environment importance: the waterfalls here preserve local biodiversity and project important water resource for the region. Ecotourism destination: this site promotes sustainable tourism by offering opportunities for relaxation, adventure, and connection with nature. Regional heritage: the Payandé waterfalls are a source of pride for the local community, which work to preserve this natural treasure for future generations. Thank you. Thank you.